Today, we're diving into something that every DIYer and pro builder should have in their toolkit: magnetic bit holders. These little guys can save you a lot of frustration and time. We've rounded up the 6 best magnetic bit holders of 2024, so whether you're working on a big project or just tightening a few screws, this video is for you. Number 6. Ryobi Impact Rated Magnetic Bit Holder Performance. The Ryobi Impact Rated Magnetic Bit Holder is designed for high torque applications, offering durability and a secure grip to minimize slipping. Ideal for use with impact drivers, it delivers reliable performance during tough tasks. Technology and features. Impact rated, built to withstand high impact use, ensuring longevity. Magnetic tip, the powerful magnet holds bits securely, reducing the chances of dropping or losing screws. Quick change, the bit holder allows for fast bit changes, saving time on the job. Universal fit, compatible with most standard bits and tools. Design, the holder features a compact, ergonomic design with a strong magnetic base. Its quick connect mechanism allows for swift attachment and detachment, making it a practical tool for professionals. Weight, lightweight and easy to handle, weighing just a few ounces, ensuring comfort during extended use. Price, affordable and cost-effective, typically priced around $6 to $10, making it an excellent choice for DIYers and professionals alike. Pros: strong magnet, securely holds bits in place, reducing the risk of dropping or losing them. Durable construction, designed to withstand high torque applications with impact-rated strength. Easy to use, simple to attach and remove bits quickly during projects. Cons: magnet strength may diminish over time. Extended use may weaken the magnet's hold. Can be bulky, may add some length to the tool, making it harder to fit in tight spaces. Number 5. Wiha SoftFinish Magnetic Bit Holder Performance. The Wiha SoftFinish Magnetic Bit Holder delivers exceptional performance with its strong magnet that securely holds bits, making it perfect for precise driving. Its high-quality construction ensures durability, handling tough tasks with ease. Technology and features. Featuring Wiha's patented SoftFinish handle, this bit holder reduces hand strain and improves comfort during prolonged use. The magnetic tip ensures bits stay in place, even in challenging positions. It's compatible with standard 1/4 inch bits, making it versatile for various tasks. Design. The ergonomic SoftFinish handle is designed to provide a non-slip grip, while its slim profile allows for easy maneuvering in tight spaces. Its bright red color makes it easy to spot in your toolbox or work area. Weight. Weighing only around 2 ounces, it's lightweight and easy to carry without adding extra bulk to your toolkit. Price. The Wiha SoftFinish Magnetic Bit Holder is reasonably priced, typically ranging from $10 to $15, offering great value for its quality and performance. Pros: ergonomic design. The SoftFinish handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Magnetic tip securely holds bits in place for better control and convenience. Durability, made from high-quality materials, ensuring long-lasting performance. Versatile, compatible with a wide range of bits for various tasks. Cons: size. The holder may be slightly bulkier compared to simpler alternatives, limiting access in tight spaces. Price: higher cost compared to non-branded or basic bit holders. Number 4. BOSCH Magnetic Bit Holder. Performance. With its powerful magnet, the BOSCH Magnetic Bit Holder ensures secure bit retention and precise fastening. It's designed to reduce bit wobble, delivering consistent and accurate performance on every job. Technology and features. BOSCH integrates advanced magnetic technology for a firm grip on screws and bits. The quick change mechanism allows for seamless bit swaps, saving you time and effort. Design and weight. Crafted with a compact and lightweight design, this bit holder enhances maneuverability in tight spaces. Durable construction ensures longevity, even in tough job site conditions. Price. Priced competitively, the BOSCH Magnetic Bit Holder offers incredible value for its robust features and reliable performance. Pros: strong magnetic grip, holds bits securely, reducing slippage during use. Durable construction, made with high-quality materials for long-lasting performance. Universal compatibility, fits a wide range of drill and screwdriver bits. Compact design, easy to use in tight spaces and convenient to carry. Cons: limited length options, may not provide sufficient reach for deeper applications. Magnet strength varies, might struggle with heavier or larger screws. Occasional bit release issues, bits may loosen over extended use. Number 3. Makita Impact Gold Magnetic Bit Holder. Performance. This bit holder delivers top-tier performance, designed to handle the extreme torque of impact drivers. Its precision magnetic tip ensures a firm grip on screws, reducing slippage and stripping. Technology and features. Engineered with extreme torsion technology, this bit holder absorbs impact, increasing durability. The powerful rare earth magnet keeps bits and screws secure for seamless operation. Design and weight. Compact and lightweight, the Makita Impact Gold is crafted for both durability and ease of use. Its golden finish isn't just stylish, it's built for lasting performance. Price. Affordable and efficient, it's a small investment for big results. Pros. Durable construction. Designed for high-torque impact drivers, it resists wear and tear. Magnetic hold. Keeps screws and bits securely in place for more precise driving. Compact design. Lightweight and easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Rust-resistant. Durable coating enhances longevity. Cons. Magnet strength. Could weaken over time with heavy use. Premium price. Slightly more expensive compared to basic bit holders. Number 2. DEWALT Pivoting Magnetic Bit Holder. Performance. This bit holder shines with its 20-degree pivoting head, designed for accessing tight spaces without losing precision. The magnetic tip ensures a firm grip on screws, preventing slips and speeding up your workflow. Technology and features. DEWALT integrates a strong neodymium magnet for superior hold, while its universal compatibility fits most drill drivers and bit types. The pivoting design locks in place for straight drilling when needed, offering versatility in any task. Design. Compact and durable, this tool is built with heavy-duty materials that withstand rigorous use. Its ergonomic design keeps it easy to handle, even during extended projects. Weight. At just 4.3 ounces, it's lightweight but doesn't compromise on strength or stability. Price. Affordable and reliable, the DEWALT Pivoting Magnetic Bit Holder typically retails around $10 to $15, making it an excellent value for both DIYers and professionals. Pros. Pivoting feature provides flexibility to access tight or angled spaces. Strong magnet secures bits firmly, reducing slippage during use. Durable construction, built to withstand heavy-duty tasks. Compatibility works with various DEWALT drills and bit sizes. Cons. Limited pivot range, may not reach extremely tight angles. Bit release can be stiff when changing bits. Magnet strength may struggle with heavier or longer screws. Number 1. Milwaukee Shockwave Magnetic Bit Holder. Performance. Built for impact drivers and drills, the Milwaukee Shockwave ensures secure bit retention and smooth operation, even under heavy torque. Technology and features. Its proprietary Shockwave design absorbs shock, extending bit life. The magnetic tip keeps your screws in place, while the optimized shock zone reduces wear and tear. Design. Compact yet durable, the all-metal construction is built to last. The slim profile allows easy access in tight spaces, making it versatile for any project. Weight. At just a few ounces, the lightweight design ensures less fatigue during extended use. Price. Priced around $10 to $15, it's an affordable upgrade to your toolbox without compromising on quality. Pros. Strong magnetic tip for secure bit retention. Durable Shockwave construction for impact resistance. Universal compatibility with most drill and driver bits. Enhanced grip reduces slippage during use. Cons. Slightly higher cost compared to generic bit holders. Magnet strength may weaken over time with heavy use.